what's that smell? You know what I smell? The smell of rust from that old rust bucket over there.
Oh, I know. It smells dreadful. I'm about to puke.
Henry's already feeling sick from it already.
Oh, I knew he couldn't last long. He's just as old as Edward.
Well, I'm off to pull
Ugh.
my slow passenger train.
As this happened, Gordon spoke to Edward.
Oh, good. I'm never gonna pick you again. He wants to pick big and engines like us. Besides Henry.
I mean, all of you are bigger than me, so yeah.
Yeah. So, don't even bother. Ah. Well, I gotta go pull my goods train. Go.
See ya.
Oh, Edward, have you heard of it? The Fat Controller wants you out today.
Really? I have been let out
Yeah.
in weeks or
Yes.
days or whatever.
He wants
Well,
you to
you're
pull
gonna
the
be let out
express.
today.
Okay.
Let's fire up your smoke.
Yeah.
Well, let's go,
Fire up.
jolly old boy. You don't want to miss your train?
Well, look at me now. Look at me now. He puffed to himself. The other princes felt cross at being left behind.
Oh, the shame of it, said Gordon.
I can't believe this. A big express engine like me shouldn't be shut up like this.
Oh, be quiet, Gordon. It's about time you've gotten karma.
Oh, what? I don't believe it. What? Why would you say something like that? I'm going back in my ship.
You're
No,
coupled.
your coach got shunted.
You're coupled.
Oh, hold up. Button. There we go.
I'm, I'm
I'm
finally
a go
being let out again.
guy. I'm a go guide that new engine.
Alright. Whoa, now while you do that, I'm gonna go leave at the express. See ya.
All right,
Whoa,
engine.
who was
So what you
that?
want to do? It's just
Oh,
someone pulling the express.
your face is scary. Oh, oh.
Anyways, so follow me. Dang it, bruh.
Also, we don't need to
What's the
follow you.
problem, my boy? Why are you struggling so hard? It's only a few coaches.
I haven't helped that much, and the other engines have been saying I'm old. It's kind of hard because I need new parts. I'm aging very bad.
My God. Come on, my boy. It's not that hard. Just keep on puffing.
Okay, if you say so. Uh, ooh, uh,
Soon, it
what's that
started to grow
sign
cloudy.
saying? Oh, Soto Railway. Trying to make this a better railway? Ah, oh, he's doing a bad job at it.
Dang it. Someone locked the door. I can't go into this station master common room. Oh look,
Well,
a station bridge.
Oh boy,
Uh,
is something
I just
wrong?
need you to slow down on the rest of the way. There's a storm coming.
Yeah. Alright, don't go, don't go above the sun. But as you round the corner, something broke. The
what's happened? Ah, what's happened?
You've broken your
Vortex.
side, said his driver.
What?
It
Oh
looks
no.
pretty bad.
Oh.
Looks pretty bad. But
We're gonna have to mend it.
So Topham Hat's gonna
But your,
hate
but
me
your,
after this.
your sidewalks won't be able to go through because of that. Because of your
well,
bent running
we're
board.
gonna have to take
So
off
we're gonna need
one of your
tactical.
side rods, old boy. We're gonna have to take off some of your side
Come
rods.
on,
So
old boy, you can do it.
The coaches are
Passengers
too
cheered him on.
heavy.
You can do it, old boy. The passengers cheered him on.
it was hard to start off at first, but eventually, Edward, Edward made, Edward managed to make it through. You're doing it! You're doing it! They said.
He's done it. He's done it.
You've got it! You've got it!
You've done it, old boy. I'm proud. This engine, the city of Shuro, was on the island at the time. And then, Edward puffed up. Even city of Shuro cheered for Edward when he stopped at the station.
Looks like I'm the
The
more
railway
popular one today.
inspector had walked out of city of Shuro's coach and cheered. Whoa, you've done it, boy. You've made it to the station. I'm the one that set this up.
You made it even if even with your side broken.
Oh,
Someone will pull you to the works to get mended while you rest. City of Truro. No, hold on. What? Who will take? No, City of Truro can't take your trays today. So who will be? Oh yeah, A7546 will take the rest of your trays today.
oh no. Well, I
And then
guess
he
he can.
went back. And then he went back into City of Truro's coast and puffed away. And he puffed away. And then City of Truro forgot to pick up the coaches.
What do you mean? They were supposed to enter my coaches because someone else takes the train out.
Eight-
What do we just added them to
87546
that
will
night
take the
train?
will take the right of its
A
train.
tank
Silly.
engine was taking Edward to the works while City of Truro took both the coaches. And then the engine spoke. I swear, if he sleepwalks like all the other engines I've took into the works, they always sleepwalk and no, they always sleep run and drive against me.
So, Gordon, you told me that I won't be let out, and I would. So I was
well-
pulling the coaches down the line, but that's when it started to rain, and my side broke. But regardless of that, I made it to Crosby, and City of Turo took my train, and I was taken to the works. I was triumphant. I did not give up. So yeah.
Well, little Edward, I knew it was gonna happen. That's why I told you that. I knew you were gonna meet a famous surgeon today, and he was gonna help you. I knew all of that. I did all that. I was gonna goodbye.
Bro got shown.
Alright. Alright. Well. Well, if you need me, I'll be at the back of the
Oh.
sheds. getting the rest that I deserve.
Yeah. What's
Did you
that?
hear that,
Well,
Henry?
ow.
Did you
Yes,
hear
I
that,
heard
Henry?
that. Yes, I
Bro
heard
got,
that.
oh my,
I heard it.
bro was
I,
making
I do hear
excuses.
that, Edward.
Did Gordon get karma? Or did he not? Or did he get something else?
He got something else.
Alright. I'll be getting rest like that.